prisoners used to carry the aluminum plates, right? Where do you think the story has begun? The story begins here like the prisoners are all, they have put in jail because of their crime, right? Something they might have done and they've gone into the prison. And some prisoners are called to be death, they will be put to death after some time because of their intensity of that crime. Okay, so why is this aluminum plates being served in the prison for the prisoners when they eat food? They only eat food in the aluminum plates. Why? One thing is why they use that concept because aluminum leaches, right? So the person who consumes food from that plate, it's a slow poison. They are, so slowly moving their journey in death, right? So maybe we might have not overlooked into all this details. Yes, British revenge on us, absolutely, right? We didn't realize all these things, right? When I was also astonished at first time when I heard about this story. I was really, really zapped myself. I could not think about it so much, but absolutely, this is something we don't realize. We think aluminum is a very good conductor of heat, and it is very cheaper in rate, and we can purchase it very easily, and any shape, any big, all in the marriages and everything, they make in that aluminum big gundas and all that. No, the biggest one. So it's very cheap and it is very affordable. People go for it, but the other end of it, nobody is focused on how it is really impacting on our health, right? So even to reduce oil, okay, to make zero oil dosa or zero oil cooking, we use a lot of Teflon coating based non-stick tawas and kadais and all that. Even that is very, very harmful to our health, because on a long run, every non-stick tawas or kadais has to be renewed after 3 months. More than 3 months, it's not supposed to be used. Okay, even though you are very careful about it or something, you just have to put them in the bin because it's of no use. Post that, you keep on using them. What happened? The Teflon coating start chipping out. Okay, that start chipping out, and that also get mixed with our food, and that is very poisonous, and it could lead us to get cancer also, right? So ceramic, everything has its own concern. Basically the cooking challenge is not just we pouring out a lot of fat in the food, not just losing the nutrients, the structure, like some mammoths said. It's not just that. Beyond that, there are so many health factors attached to it. So we are not looking into these details. That's why we end up having a very, bad health. Clear? So over the time, we don't realize what's the source of getting this health problem. Okay. There are many things that we need to be focusing upon. Yeah. So this is what I wanted to discuss today. And when we talk about kitchen challenge, when talk about kadai, the utensils, the most used in our homes, Indian homes, is kadai. One of the most popular utensils in Indian kitchen, I would say, because, without this, we can't make anything, right? Our sabjis or our fryings, everything, day in, day out, every morning, afternoon, night time, we use this kadai. It's very, very important in any Indian cooking. Indian cooking is basically a open cooking style, right? It's not like in Western cooking. Western cooking is totally different. They don't have so much of frying and things like that. But our, our recipes, our cuisines are very hard. It is very difficult. We have so many spices and so many things that we incorporate in cooking. So what is the concern with using regular kadai is majority of them is made of aluminium. So now you know what is aluminium is really bad at. In terms of purchasing an aluminium utensils is very cheap and it's easy, affordable. It's good conductor of heat. Yes, we agree to it. But another side of it, other aspects of health, when you look at it, it's very bad. It does a very, on a long run, it impact on our health, which is not good for our health at all, right? So majority of, we use steel ones, and steel ones are a problem that comes with a single ply. And, single ply, what happened? It is not, the durability of the utensils is not that great, and it has its own challenge. And when it come with a perfect lids, another challenge is nutrition loss. Someone has mentioned in the chat box. How do we lose the nutrition in the food? Because the escaping of evaporation from the, the water, the moisture get escaped from the food. What happens? We lose the nutrients in the food, right? So we don't get the perfect lid, the perfect match for the utensils. Okay. So most cooking with high heat, and we know, right? This vitamin C, these kind of ingredients are very heat sensitive. Okay, so overheat, if you cook, if you burn the food, then what happens? The heat sensitive ingredients get lost in the food. Okay, so this is why these are the things that we face challenge with the kadai that we use at our homes. So what makes Amway Queen Wok so special? What is so special about it? Let's know about it now. This is made with with the very safest metal to cook in the best class. That means we have used type 304 stainless steel. Okay, T304 means type 304 stainless steel. That is another way to simplify, in a very simplified manner for you to understand. Type 304 means 18 bar 8 grade steel. Okay, 18 bar 8 grade steel is known as good grade of steel, and it is good. It is measured to be a very safest metal for cooking. Whatever food that you cook, it is very safe in this type steel, utensils for when you, and it also comes with a 7-ply structure. So let's understand what is this 7-ply structure really does to us. Okay, so when we talk about 7-ply structure, I would love to explain how it has been made. Okay, when we talk about 7-ply structure, the first layer, okay, if you can see this, unit, inside out, it is steel. Okay, from inside, and the outer part of the unit is covered with steel. Okay, so we have added 2 mm of 304 stainless steel. Okay, so what is steel? Right, steel is an alloy, right? Stainless steel is made of an alloy, right? So to make in steel, we use around 36 ingredient which goes in making an alloy. Okay, if it has to become like an alloy, there are 36 ingredients goes inside making this alloy. Apart from that, there are most important thing is we focus on 3 important type of alloy. Okay, so what is that? One is chromium, the second one is ferrous, and the third one is nickel. Okay, so chromium we have used 18%, and ferrous we have used 61%, and nickel we have used 8%. Okay, what is that other 36 though? I don't know. Amongst that 36, these 3 ingredient is most focused on. So chromium 18, ferrous 61%, and nickel we use 8%. So why we focus on nickel? What is nickel? Nickel is iron. right? You know, right? Iron, when you heat the iron, you can mold it. Whatever shape that you want to make, you can mold them according to whatever design that you want. So that is why the ferrous part of it is a 60%, 61% that we have used. So you can make it it is very flexible. You can mold the shape of your utensil. Whatever way that you want, you can make it. So it's very easy if that is the way, right? So again, I told you 304, the type 304 means 18 by 8 grade steel. Okay. Then we have under this type 304 steel, under them we have 5 mm aluminum. Okay, 5 layers of aluminum we have put in between. Okay. Post that, the last, the outer layer of the steel is made of type 3439 steel. Okay. This is the top layer, the outer layer that we have made of. The inner part of it is your 18 by 8 grade steel. The outer layer is designed by type 439 grade steel. Okay. So in this, we have also added ferrous, chromium, and nickel, but here we have added ferrous 80%. Okay, so we have added in the 18 bar 8 grade steel, how much we have added? We have added 61% of a ferrous. Here we have added 80% of a ferrous. Okay, so this comes with a magnetic induction finish. So what happened? It is very compatible and it suits for induction cooking as well. Okay. So this may work on the on flame or non-flame cooking also. It is suitable. Clear. So what happened? We have used this type of type grade steel. One is the heat conductor is very, it takes very faster. That's the difference. And also you don't, it holds the heat, the food stays heat for a long time. You don't have to reheat the food. Okay. Once you cook and you lid them and keep it aside, the food remains very hot for a long time. Okay. The reheating system can be avoided. And you all know when we keep on reheating the food, the nutrients also get lost. Right? The taste change, the nutrient get lost and all that. So that's why this, unit does look so special, and the making of that product is made so special to us. And this is the heavy duty wok. Okay. Durability is very sturdy. And corrosion does not happen because we have used the best grade steel, and we have molded this, structure is designed like this. It comes with a 7-ply structure. Now you know what has been added. Now you know the meaning of it. What is type 304 and type 439 stainless steel is all about. How aluminum is, layered in between to give a good retention of heat. And for a longer duration, your food remains very hot. Okay. So another interesting part of this cookware is we have, it has a VitalLock technology, right? So less water method of cooking can be done with this wok. It helps to retain, color of the food, flavor, as well as the nutrients of the food. Okay, so all this 3 is not been achievable with other utensils that we have at our home, right? We don't get a perfect lid, or we have the kadai all mostly is like a open cooking. So what happened? The moisture is not retained in the food, and it get evaporated. All the nutrients get evaporated, so that the flavor, the structure of the food, and the color of the food, goes off, and whatever that we eat at the end has no meaning to it because it does not retain any nutrients in it, right? So then another interesting feature that we have in the wok is zero oil cooking. Okay, so zero oil cooking is possible now. So we all know the 60% of our fat comes from our own liver, right? So you should be very, very conscious of how much amount of a fat that you take through via your food, right? The 30% of a fat that you take via your food, you really got to be very cautious, right? If at all, if that overboard and fat deposition start happening in your body, then it really damages our health. I mean, you know how cholesterol could affect on our body. It may affect on our organs such as heart, and a lot of other challenges could happen, right? So in terms of keeping yourself healthy, in terms of being very healthy for a long time to maintain your immunity and all that, this plays a very important role. Why? Because we can achieve zero oil cooking with ambient pain wok. Okay, cooking is possible with no compromise on the taste, right? How many of you have attended ambient pain wok in the physical session where they have made suji alwa or carrot alwas? Believe me, my dear friends, I never felt, I have seen halwas are made with ghee. It pours out, the droplets of ghee we can see in the spoon. It'll be so much of ghee, so rich, and 1 or 2 spoon you eat and you'll feel very full. It takes long time for us to digest, and we get a lot of burps and a lot of challenges, right? So, but I never felt, I never thought there is a method like, zero oil cooking possible, and the food is so yummy. The carrot halwa made in this, wok or ambient queen, it's so tasty. I vouch for it, I really vouch for it because there is no compromise on the taste. And I'm sure you must be experiencing that also. Some of you have bought this queen to your, homes and you are utilizing it. I'm sure you all would be agreeing with it. Right? So due to even distribution of heat, the OptiTemp technology that we have in this wok ensures that even distribution of heat and, the cooking is possible. It's a cooking without oil is very possible, and the taste is never lost in your food. So when we talk about handles and knobs, okay, when we talk about handles and knobs, it's made of phenolic material, which is extremely durable. It lasts for a longer duration. It's very lightweighted one, and it also resists moisture resistant. Suppose if any boiling water spills on it or the oil spills on it, what happens? There are in the cooking utensils, you normally use backlight or a silicone handles. Okay, backlight or a silicone handle, handles cannot, what they say. It does not have such a long, it does not come with a proper durability, and it can't resist the moisture. But phenolic material, it has long durability, and also it can resist moisture, so that, and this handle, it can resist up to 200 degrees Celsius. Not more than this, we use the flame. Of course, we don't use more than this, right? So it can resist up to that, and it gives a very comfortable hold for you where you don't burn your hands, and, it's very, very easy to carry. And when we talk about wok, especially why wok is so special, it is ideal for all the large family size, right? If a newly married couple, there's only husband and wife, only 2 people, they have to cook at queen utensils, units will be very absolutely fine. But if you have a larger family, your parents, yourself, and your children, and so on, for everyone to suit, it is best one. It is ideal cooking for a larger family. And the best thing is about it comes with a perfect fitting stainless lid. And now, cooking with wok, one more interesting factor of this unit is it comes with a steamer rack. Okay, so you can cook multi-layer cooking as possible here, make steaming easier and more efficient. You can consume the gas, you can consume your time, and multi cooking is possible with wok. So that's the best thing about the walk. So it's uniquely designed, why? Because it comes with a flat bottom. So, you can use it on your induction stoves, as well as you can place it on the dining table. Wherever you're dining, you can place this utensils directly, the unit directly there. So serving is made so easy because it comes with a flat base, and it's very comfortable to place it there. Okay, so that's so interesting about this design. An Amway Queen Wok comes with 30 years of warranty. Okay, we all know it's a small one-time investment. For the lifetime, you can use this. It comes with 30 years of warranty, but it is required to keep the invoice with you. On any manufacturing defects, you can definitely get replaced. What's the advantages of a new wok is the interior of the wok, the inside part of the wok is made of type 304, 18/8 grade of steel. Okay, the inner layer, okay, the sandwich of the layer, the steel, the alloys that it's been aligned is the 5 layers of aluminum. The external part of the unit is covered with type 439 stainless steel. Okay, so perhaps what is the major difference between the previous wok and now is it get the heat of the product. It can preheat up to 30% faster than the previous wok. Okay, so it comes without the lotus rack. Since the lotus rack, a lot of people has told, the ABOs have told, the leaders discussion, they have mentioned that this is not being utilized much and it is not required. So that's the reason the new wok does not come with the steamer rack. The lotus rack. Okay, so the major difference amongst the old wok or the new wok is preheat 30% faster than the previous wok. Okay, and another interesting stuff is it comes with a matte finish. The earlier wok, the old wok, is to come with a glossy finish. The challenge with glossy finishes, over the time we utilize for a long time, if any scratch or something comes on it, it is more visible, it's more prominent. But nowadays, people look for an attraction, when they are dining, they want a good, attractive look. So we have made it as per your need. We have made it in a matte finish. Matte finish and other interesting stuff is any small, tiny scratch or something, it will not be visible. And when you use it for a long time, like 30 years and all, imagine the wok still looks, if you maintain as per our guidelines, of course you can maintain as good as the day one that you have purchased, and 30 years later also you can maintain the utensils, the unit the same way. So matte finish is beneficial that way. Amway Queen wok pricing detail is given here. The MRP is 23,500, and DAP, which is inclusive of all taxes, you're getting at rupees 19,999. Okay, the other details are given. NSP is 16,534, and PV, how much PV that you are earning, is given here. So here has come to an end of my session. I hope this session would have been helpful to all of you in terms of understanding what is Amway Queen Wok is all about. And if any one of you are desiring to have a healthy and a nutrition, food, please, look upon this product, and it's very, very, important product, and it really supports all of us to have a healthy journey, right? So before I go, I have few video. Let me also show that video. Just give me a minute. I'll just show you a couple of video. This is, just give me a minute, my dear friends. If you all have any query till then, you can put it at a chat box. I would be, addressing your questions. Just give me a minute. I'm sharing my screen. There are lovely videos which is uploaded in YouTube as well, but I would also love to play this video so that you understand what is the technology. So just give me a minute. I hope my screen is visible for all of you. Please enjoy this video.
Hi. You might wonder what is so special about the Amway Queen Wok and what makes it different from a regular kadai. A kadai in general does not have a flat base, but the Amway Queen Wok does, which provides stability and makes it compatible on an induction cooktop as well as on a gas stove. Another key differentiator is that unlike a regular kadai, the Amway Queen Wok has got a 7-ply construction, which promotes even heat distribution and makes zero oil cooking possible. You might want to saute, roast, boil, shallow fry, deep fry, or even make dry or gravy dishes. It's perfect for everything. You might have a family dinner or guests coming over. This wok can prepare food for up to 7-8 people. Vitalog technology makes less water cooking possible and helps retain natural colors, flavors, and nutrients in the food. The steamer rack and the lotus rack that come along with the Amway Queen Wok are great for frying and steaming. In fact, everyone who has seen it and used it swears by the effectiveness and the uniqueness of the Amway Queen Wok.
Yeah, this is an old wok video, but however, the technology hasn't changed. So that's why I have preferred to play this video because how much of that we theoretically talk about it. When we see visually, it adds a lot of value to it. So I hope you had enjoyed this video too. And if at all, if you have any queries, please put at the chat box. Vijay sir, Vijay or ma'am, I don't know. But aluminium is used at the, ma'am, it is a good conductor of a heat. But however, your aluminium is not directly coming to the contact of food because it is inside. We have used 18/8 grade of a steel, and the external part of it we have used the type 439 grade of steel. So nowhere there is a scope of this aluminium getting in contact with food directly. So the preparation of your food is still considered to be very, very safe. Of course, the making of the product, we need some alloy because which cannot be avoided, in terms of making such a good construction. If you want to make a 7-ply structure of alloy, unit, then we need to use aluminium because it's considered to be a good conductor of heat. Any other question, you all can put it at the chat box. I hope the session was very clear for all of you. There are, we have an offer this month. We have a daily care offer, which is a personal hygiene thing. You get a toothpaste, you get a shampoo, and you get all the 3 home care product and all that. It's highly immunity time. It's a very great gifting idea, and for the personal consumption also, it's very, very awesome product. And if anybody new customer is trying to, little reluctant about it, to try the bigger ones and all, the bigger package of LOC, dish prop or a toothbrush or toothpaste and so on, I think this is a great gifting idea. You can also start as a door opener products and you can sell this daily care offer. As well as we have got, after a very long time, we have got our attitude eyeliner. Okay, so both of them are in the limited edition, so please make the maximum utilization of it. Quickly pick up your own part of it, and please make utilization for your business, right? So with that, we have come to an end of our program, and I could see no other questions. So thanks a lot for all of you, Sunita ma'am, Anusha ma'am, and Khatija ma'am, and Gunti, Vijay, and Sunita, and Saujanya ma'am. Everyone, thank you so much for being here and giving your valuable feedback. Thank you, everyone, and keep supporting training, and keep encouraging all the training programs. Saujanya ma'am, you have said how much, ma'am? I didn't get. Is there anything that I missed? Your question? Saujanya ma'am, I don't know whether I've missed your question. All right. Saujanya ma'am, if you're not around, I really don't know. I looked up on all the chart, but I don't know what I have missed it, because you've just read how much, ma'am. So I don't know what is how much and all that. Please let me know if you're there. Please reiterate the question so that I can go back and address. Otherwise, let's wind up for the day and have a wonderful and a great evening. Thank you, everyone, and take care. Bye-bye.